Hello, chemistry students. This is just a short video summarizing what we did in our day one of class back from break. Hope you all had a great break. And I'm not going to go through everything in a lot of detail, but in case you were unable to attend, we just want to give you an idea of what we covered. So starting off, we actually have a new warm-up, which if I click on the link, you'll see it looks like this. It's in a Google form. So we changed it a little bit from last term. Also, the warm-ups, we are highly encouraging you to do this. And if you actually look on your platform, so for day one, for example, in the student notes section, we have links to everything that we did today. And we'll talk about all of these. But if you notice the warm-up and the exit ticket, we've marked as mandatory. And I'll get to that in a second. But keep that in mind. We want you all to do the warm-ups and exit tickets so that we can get feedback from you on how things are going and how you're doing and know what we can do better if we need to. All right, so after the warm-up, here was the agenda. So we also did a quick review of norms. We watched the video called Energy in My Food. And then we also introduced a project hub before doing the exit ticket. So in reviewing the norms, these are the same norms from last term, but overall, the important things are we want to emphasize honest communication. And no matter where you are, if you haven't been doing work last semester or anytime this semester, we always want you to be honest. And we always want to see you. We can always find you a way back to help you get to passing. As a part of this, though, we do want you to give effort. As Mr. Wagner and I have said in class, during the first semester, there are a lot of checkpoints that we noticed students didn't even open. So we want you to at least make an attempt to do these. Engaging responsibly, really, it means that at the very least, you come to class, and if you come to class, that you do your best to just pay attention. And if you come to class and then just keep your computer open and leave, then that will probably not help you to succeed in chemistry. But also, as a part of this, just respect yourself. In addition to your classmates in this classroom, everybody's been respectful of the environment, but respecting yourself, it means a lot of things. But it also means that if you find that you're getting behind, then you should come let us know. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed, then we want to hear about it, and we want to find ways that we can help you. But also doing the warm-up and exit ticket. And if you'll notice, this is a link that opens up this norms and active listening, which we are introducing as a new cognitive skill. So let me make this a little bit bigger so you can read it. And what we want to do is, again, help you to succeed. And the warm-up and exit ticket is going to be one way that we want you to do this. Our goal is to have everybody complete it for every class. But if you are absent, then what we want you to do is complete a warm-up and exit ticket for the class that you missed before a week has passed. So that will be important in terms of influencing this cognitive skill grade. So if we look at our rubric down here for how we're going to score this, basically, if you do like all of your warm-ups and exit tickets, you're going to get a 6.5 on this cognitive skill that we're introducing for norms and active listening. If you just want to get to passing, you only need to do 75% of them. But overall, we consider this just an easy win for you. So definitely do the warm-ups, do the exit tickets. They were suggested last semester, but we do want them to be mandatory this semester. But also, it's just so we can help you. That's a big part of it. And we will let you know how you're doing on this during the next rounds of expeditions. So going back, we watched this video, Energy in My Food. I'm not going to go through that right now, but encourage you to click on the link to watch this video. And again, the link is in the plans tab right here. Another place that it lives is in this project hub that we've created. So we open up the project hub, and there is a lot going on here, but what we want you to do is click on this link, open it, and bookmark this, because this will be very useful for you during this semester. Because in addition to having things on the platform, we're going to have everything just summarized here. As you'll see, there's a table of contents giving a project overview, which describes the project and what we're going to be doing, how we're going to be doing this in terms of the summary, essential questions, the enduring understandings. Here we have a table showing that there's actually 3 products in this project. So 2 performance tasks, and then another product, which is going to be like an infographic. The cognitive skills that we're going to be looking at, and the ones that are in bold are new cog skills that you haven't yet encountered. And then the focus areas and associated content. So there's a calendar showing you what we're going to be doing each week. So week starting at each of these dates and what's happening during the Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Friday class. The next section, general resources, lists the power and additional focus areas. And if there's any additional resources that we want to give you for these, we'll put them in here. But then we have this daily breakdown. And if you go back up to the top here, you'll see that there's a link to all of these, the project overview, general resources, and then this daily breakdown of what we're going to be doing each day. And these are all bookmarked to take you to the day. You'll see, so all of the links for our day 1, they are listed here. They're on the platform. They're also here. We also tell you what work is due. And you'll see today just the warm up and exit ticket. And there's the due date, 1 week from today. And then there's vocabulary. So, and this is an additional resource that we're putting together just to help you out to keep track of all of the vocabulary words that we're going to be giving to you. And again, this is broken down into sections. These are all bookmarked, which each vocabulary words. But also for each day, we're going to have listed the vocabulary words that we're going to be using in that day with, again, a link to the vocabulary list right here. And also for this video, that's also going to be linked in the Project Hub. So definitely go to the Project Hub, bookmarked it. And then finally, the last thing that we did was the exit ticket. And this is actually divided into 2 sections. The first section is a reflection that we wanted you to score. And this is not to make you feel bad. This is just to let you know, or let us know, what your thoughts were from the first semester. And then the second section was this food energy overview, which asks you to go to the Project Hub or the platform and answer these questions about the project, just to give you a good preview of it. So definitely complete the warm-up, complete this exit ticket, bookmark the Food Energy Hub, and watch the video, and you will be in good shape. So thank you.